So, hello everyone. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry for that. So, let's start. So, in this video, it is a very important video. So, in this video, I simply cover the how to get the data from the user and how to print the data from in the console. So, you also know about the how to print the data. So, in this video, I major focus on the how to get the data from the user and the print it on all the things. So you know about in the printer we use for output, and if you want to some input from the user point, so we use scanf. So scanf used for input for the getting the data from the user. It is a when you create the one very good software and all the software, yeah, you can see our any software in the market right now. He also needs some input from the user. So here we use the concept of the input, how to take the input from the user. This is a very important concept for the learning of the C. So that's why I am creating this one video related to the how to use the scanf on all the things. So let's start. So first we need to include the studio. In the studio we have studio.h is the one is the library. In studio.h we have printf function, also the scanf function, both function in the available in the studio.h. So here I'm my main method. In the main method, simply the type is the integer, so we want to return what I return. I am returning simply 0. So what is the return of the 0 and all the things I cover when I teach you to how to create the functions in the C language. So when I cover, so let's try to if I you want to remove it. So simply here you write void. What is the void? What is the no return type? If you want to not return any value, then you use the void. If you write the int, then you return the integer value. If you write the float, you want to float value, return the float value, and all the so on all the things. So let's start. We are focusing in the printf and scanf. So let's start. So if I write the int a, I'm not assigning any value in the a. So with the help of the user, if user input 10, so he automatically 10 is automatically assigned to the 10. So our concept is simple. From the getting the data from the user, automatically assigning into the a. So what we do, first we write the printf for the printing the message on the user, so user know we enter something. So enter here, enter number. I simply write enter number. So user enter any number, and we want to this is the only the printf is the output data. So in my output console, you can see, sorry, I get a little bit, sorry, I can't, I don't save, that's why. Here you can say inter input are printed, but if when the inter number is printed, then inter number is printed, I want to one I want to call one method which name is scanf for the getting the input from the user know about the inter number. But what inter number here is not any cursor to enter anything, so that's why we use scanf. So how to use the scanf? Simply write scanf, and here we need first we write, here you can see in scanf const character format. We need the format specifier. What is the format specifier? You already know in my format specifier video. If you don't watch, if in right now you don't watch, so please make sure you watch this video, so you can better understand the what is the format specifier. But don't worry, I also explain the little bit what is the format specifier in so format specifier first. Suppose I want to insert data in the integer type. So in the integer type, we write the format specifier is %d. If you want to data in the characters, so I use %c. If you want to data in the float, we insert %f. So all the things I write the simply %d. And in the, you know about, if you want to print the data, so simply write a, and automatically a is printed, a value is printed. But here we want to store the data. So where we store data? In the a. If I write the a, so it is not able to store the data is a, because our compiler is known about the a, where is a, where which memory location is a is present. So that's why we use one symbol. This name is the percent address of. You can also known as the and, but in the programming language is known name is the address of, sorry, address of. So this is our address of. In this address of, if I use the address of, so he automatically, if a user enter anything, he automatically go to address of a, where the address of a in the memory location, where the address of a, he go to the some place and insert the value. After inserting value, I want to print this value. So simply write print percent d and simply print the a. So you can say when user print enter, here I also write the something that something like this, number number is, and after that is printed. So let's run the program and see the what is the output. Oh, I getting simply mistake. I'm not, don't don't miss out the column, because column is very important in the C language. So let's run, and here you can see the one cursor is, and he say the enter number. Let's suppose I enter 10, 12, and after entering, here you can see the out in the output I simply print number is and percentage. So here is output is number is and 12 is automatically printed. So this is all about the how to get the data from the user and how to print the data from the user. If I want to, let's suppose I copy this, here I control V, and let's suppose I want to float data, b float b, and here simply I what I will need, percent f percent c. I simply copy this, and here control V, number is percent f, sorry, here is percent b because I am using percent b, and here is also I am using percent b, and control s and run it. So here you can enter the number. First enter the number which scan up his integer value. So I simply write 12. 12 is printed. Then again he entered the number, because here you can the cursor, but I'm not printing this line, that's why he is not giving the any enter the number. So let's suppose I write the here also 2.13, and you can see the number is 2.13, and this thing. Don't confuse, here this number is I inserted, that's why here is the printed. So don't confuse first number is what, because first number is 12, and this number is I inserted, that's why second number is printed. If you confuse, let's remove your confusion. I copy these things and simply print here, paste here, control V, control S. Or we can also use the, if you want to the new line, so here you can use slash and for the new line, and control S and run it. Here you can say the enter number, I enter the number is 12. 12 is printed. Again the in the percent, here you can the new line is printed, and here I want to enter again 12.2, and you can see 12.2 is printed. Number is 12.2200 is printed. So this is all about the how to get the data from the user. So your homework is you can get the character type data from the user and the double type data from the user, and that's it. So this is all about our printf function and scanf function. I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, then like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel, and thank you.